Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna, vindicating text 23, text 24, and text 25 of chapter 17, the divisions of faith of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 23, Om Tatasaditi Nirdesho Brahmana Stri Vidha Sambrutah Brahmanastena Vedashrava Yajnashrava Vihitaha Pura. From the beginning of creation, the three words Om Tat Sat are used to indicate the supreme absolute truth. These three symbolic representations were used by Brahmanas while chanting the hymns of the Vedas and during sacrifices for the satisfaction of the Supreme. It has been explained that penance, sacrifice, charity, and foods are divided into three categories: the modes of goodness, passion, and ignorance. But whether first class, second class, or third class, they are all conditioned, contaminated by the material modes of nature. When they are aimed at the Supreme Om Tat Sat, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Eternal, they become means for spiritual elevation. In the scriptural injunctions, such an objective is indicated. These three words, Om Tat Sat, particularly indicate the absolute truth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In the Vedic hymns, the word Om is always found. One who acts without following the regulations of the scriptures will not attain the absolute truth. He will get some temporary result, but not the ultimate end of life. The conclusion is that the performance of charity, sacrifice, and penance must be done in the mode of goodness. Performed in the mode of passion or ignorance, they are certainly inferior in quality. The three words Om Tat Sat are uttered in conjunction with the holy name of the Supreme Lord. Example, Om Tada Vishnoho. Whenever a Vedic hymn or the holy name of the Supreme Lord is uttered, Om is added. This is the indication of Vedic literature. These three words are taken from Vedic hymns. Om iti itada brahmano nedisthama namaha Rugveda indicates the first goal. Then Tata Tvama Asi Chandogya Upanishad 6.8.7 indicates the second goal, and Sada Iva Soumya Chandogya Upanishad 6.2.1 indicates the third goal. Combined, they become Om Tat Sat. Formerly, when Brahma, the first created living entity, performed sacrifices, he indicated by these three words the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, the same principles have always been followed by disciplic succession. So this hymn has great significance. Bhagavad Gita recommends, therefore, that any work done should be done for Om Tat Sat or for the Supreme Personality of Godhead. When one performs penance, charity, and sacrifice with these three words, he is acting in Krishna's consciousness. Krishna's consciousness is a scientific execution of transcendental activities which enables one to return home back to Godhead. There is no loss of energy in acting in such a transcendental way. Text 24. Tasmad Oma Ita Yuda Rutaya Yajna Dana Tapah Kriyaha Pravartante Vidhanoktaha Satatam Brahma Vidanam. Therefore, transcendentalists undertaking performances of sacrifices, charities, and penances in accordance with scriptural regulations begin always with Om to attain the Supreme. Om Tada Vishnoha Paramam Padam 1.22.20 Rigveda. The lotus feet of Vishnu are the supreme devotional platform. The performance of everything on behalf of the Supreme Personality of Godhead assures the perfection of all activity. Text 25. तदितय नभीसन धाय फलम यज्ञ तपः क्रियाः दान क्रिया श्रव विविधाः क्रियन्ते मोक्ष कांक क्षिभिः. Without desiring fruitive results, one should perform various kinds of sacrifice, charity and penance with the word tat. The purpose of such transcendental activities is to get free from material entanglement. To be elevated to the spiritual position, one should not act for any material gain. Acts should be performed for the ultimate gain of being transferred to the spiritual kingdom, back to home, back to Godhead. Thank you.